Hey guys, today we're going to be doing 2 simple hairstyles for every day for school, since people have started school already and some people haven't. But yeah, I usually do these hairstyles on the daily normally, and yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys. So you part it in the middle and untangle your hair. I use this product to untangle my hair. It's gonna be on the screen somewhere, and this product is gonna be on the screen somewhere, and they both I just use it for my hair, to untangle. And I use the normal eco gel. So I just put it on my hair and grab a brush and just comb it and put it into a bun, as you see how I'm doing now. If you guys want to know how to do 2 buns, I did a video on it. You could go to my channel and just look at it, and there will be a link below on it. So for this specific hairstyle, I always take out my edges, well, if I'm not lazy or if I'm not running late. And I just get a toothbrush. You first take out your edges, and you just take out your edges by just taking the brush and just brushing it out. And then you take a little bit of gel and just take them out and make that little shape. Well, that's just the way I do it. And I make sure it's not like a huge piece of my hair just as edges, you know what I mean? And then my other side, you do the same thing. Take out your edges, and then you just, it's self-explanatory, I guess. And I just fix them up. Yeah, there's my brother right there, ignoring that I'm doing a video. And that's how it came out. Yeah. So now it's the next hairstyle. I part it. You could part it any way you want, but like any direction you want. But I do it like at the arc of my eyebrow. You see? And I make sure it's correctly parted, like in a straight line. And I use the eco gel. My hair's already untangled, so I use eco gel as always. And yeah, you just comb your hair into a bun. And then I take the little comb, I don't know the name of it, but I just lay down my hair a little more because my hair is extra puffy. So yeah, make sure it's all good. And then you just take out your edges all over again. On the side you parted it. And then, yeah. You gotta have them edges laid. Did I really just say that? Yeah, I did. Okay. So now on the other side, there's this tiny little piece of hair that's sticking out. And I just take out my edges there. And at the bottom there, yeah. And yeah, that's my quick, easy tutorial. Simple. I guess. I'm not the best with explaining, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.